Hey, what's up, CrossFit Combine family? This is Paul C. Tiarina, nutritional therapy practitioner, lifestyle and performance coach, creator of the SHT, Superhuman Transformation. And I just wanted to reach out to you and remind you that it is that time of year. And what I mean by that is the time of year that everyone's coming out of the holidays, wanting to rejuvenate themselves, including myself. And it's the perfect time for things like resolutions, although some people aren't too fond of that term. We think it's as good a reason as any to recommit and get back on board with trying to do the right thing as far as health goes. So we have, our Masterclass kicking off next Saturday. So if you've ever struggled with food and nutrition, which we all have, if you've ever struggled with real food, if you have any kind of health issues, and we're talking about everything from excess body fat to diabetes to chronic degenerative diseases to autoimmune conditions or symptoms to digestive issues to skin issues to things even like cancer, then they all have a root cause in lifestyle factors and specifically real food or nutrition, right? The way that we teach real food, we maximize nutrients, we minimize toxins, and we maximize what we call self-sufficiency, which is the body's ability to tap into its own fat stores and create its own energy from different sources at the right times, okay? So it is the solution to all those things that we just mentioned. Now, if you are an athlete, all right, if you're looking for better performance, better body composition, improved healing and recovery and recuperation, again, real food is the answer, because the way that we teach real food just so happens to maximize performance and optimize body composition and maximize healing and recovery. And we talk about that, all that stuff, as we go throughout the year. All right. So this masterclass is going to teach you everything that you need to know about nutrition. It's educational. It gives you experience, experiential knowledge. It gives you support, accountability, and then we also have built into it camaraderie, because you're doing it alongside other people that you know and that you care about and that you're friends with and that you work out with. Okay, it's an amazing freaking experience, and this is just the beginning, because we have an annual progression and a vision for people that start with us with this masterclass. This masterclass is the basics, it's foundational, but from that masterclass throughout the year, we go into more advanced concepts. We talk about fasting and supplementation, and we have some mini progressions. We can have something called a detox, which looks kind of like a vegan protocol. We had last year a Mediterranean and carnivore. We have this year what we call the flexible animal-based omnivore. So throughout the entire year, we continue to learn and optimize with nutrition and real food. And then throughout the year, we also touch on all of our other lifestyle factors and foundations, especially sleep, and mindfulness and meditation and getting outdoors and disconnecting from the chaos of this modern world, okay? So, but it all starts with this masterclass, and it all starts with real food. So I am sitting here asking you to join us, because it is here for the taking. It is a gift. It is the way to do things. We don't only back it up with science, but we also have years of experience and thousands of people that we've worked with. So whether you're brand new to us and this way of doing things, or if you think you got it figured out, with some kind of low carb, keto, paleo-ish, vegan type deal, but something's not clicking, or if you're a veteran SHT person, then just come join us and do this with the rest of us and have some fun and optimize your health and be a badass with all of us, okay? Love you guys. We're here to love and support you throughout this entire process. See ya.